Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is about shortcut tricks related with electronic configuration. Now, short tricks for electronic configuration. First of all, how can you define electronic configuration? The filling of electrons in shells, subshells or orbitals with respect to increasing order of their energy is called electronic configuration. Most of the students follow Aufbau principle for filling of electron in subshell, just like starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then s orbital, then one step down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 p orbital, one step again down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 d orbital, and 4, 5, 6, 7 f orbital. Now after draw this chart, we just cut from 1s orbital come 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, then 4f. By Aufbau principle, by using this chart, you can easily find out the increasing order of subshell starting from 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d and so on. But the easiest technique, mostly the students which are related with you can say the journal classes or lower chemistry classes, lower science classes, it is very difficult for them to understand the electronic configuration, and it is very difficult to learn all the increasing order starting from 1s and up to 5s f. So the easiest trick which I've been described for electronic configuration is school, public school, division, public school, federal division, public school, federal division, public school. It is the increasing order of energy. Increasing order of energy sequence. I just repeat it. You will have to you can say repeat 2 times each word. School is school 2 times, public school, division public school, division public school, federal division public school, then federal division public school. Now we will start the numbering from 1, because as starting from 1, s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can easily find out the energy sequence, because by this way the increasing order of energy, you don't have to write this chart. Now for p orbital, the coefficient starting from 2, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. Now after p, we will have to write coefficient for d orbital starting from 3, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, and finally f orbital starting from 4, 4f and 5f. If we will compare this shortcut trick with Aufruf principle, so you can easily find both have the same increasing order, because 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s. By using this trick, you can easily find out the electronic configuration of an element by given atomic number. Just like Z will be equals to 29. It is the atomic number, means this element contain 29 electron, which is which is copper, starting from 1s. S maximum contain SPDF. S maximum contain 2 electron. By the addition of 4, it will be 6. By the addition of 4, it will be 10. And by the addition of 4, it will become 14. Starting from 1s, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 contain 10 electron. Now after 2p, then 3s, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, it becomes 20. Now 3d, 3d10, it becomes 30. Now we have only 29 electron. It means that 3d contain 9 electron which fulfill the electronic configuration of element having atomic number 29. So by this way you can easily find out the electronic configuration of any element by just shortcut trick which we have discussed and compare it with the Aufruf principle. Hope you enjoy or you can easily learn this trick. By this way you can get 100% marks for this topic, that is electronic configuration. If you have any query regarding understanding shortcut tricks regarding with electronic configuration, so you can directly comment or message me. Till then, अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज, फी अमान अल्लाह.